In this video, I'm going to show you how to use text effect on iPhone on iOS 18. So the new iOS 18 comes with a new feature called the text effect, where you'll be able to bolden, italicize, underline, or strike through any text message on your iPhone. So if you're not of this video, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do, when you want to turn on or use the text effect on iPhone on iMessage or messaging app, is open the messaging app just like this. Then you want to write a text. You can see, hey baby, iOS 18 is here. Now just highlight any of this text just like this, or select all the text. Then swipe this navigations. Then you should see text effect here. Then I have the text effect. Click on the text effect, and this is going to pop the text effect. Then under the text effect, you can see you have the bolden, italicize, underscore, strike through. You see that? Strike through. Then another thing you want to notice under the text effect here is you can change this to big, everything like this. Then you can even make them to check. When this text message is sent, it's going to check at the receiver's end. You can even set it to explode. So this is what effect is going to be added to it when this message is sent. You can set blue. You can set small, nod, ripple, and jilter. So this is how you can easily use the text effect on your iPhone on iOS 18. Then go ahead and send. Then you see that. So that's how the message is going to display at the receiver's end using the text effect. So you can say delivered. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.